Hey, what's up, guys? This is Brian at Whisper Status 74. You were looking at Gears of War 5. This is early access from the Xbox Game Pass subscription. Excuse the blooming on the camera, it's just the camera. Aperture keeps changing. This is the very first level. It had a pretty lengthy training level, which was actually pretty cool. It was funny, actually. This game looks phenomenal. Just looking around a little bit, the colors and stuff, it really looks amazing. Wow. Again, this is on the Xbox One X, this is not on the PC. The Xbox Game Pass you can also download to the PC as well. This game looks that good, I don't know if that's even necessary. We'll do much more on this title, just showing you what the game looks like. Very clean for a brand new title. Seeing the Blair Witch and Hunt Showdown, almost like 360 games. It's nice to see that these systems have so much left in them. It kind of reminds me of Zero Dawn, Horizon Zero Dawn, as far as the way it looks. Rainbow, HDR looks incredible. Raise that camera a little bit. Sorry guys, I'm in the process of getting a new camera. The aperture is gone on this one.
Remember, big globe sparrow sight this out. Hatched. Gonna be waist deep in swarm.
This is one hell of a way to come back to Azura.
Yeah, when we get those satellites up, we can fry the storm from orbit.
Hey, get back!
Oh shit!
The hell?
Can't tell you how bright the image actually is.
I'm gonna search a place that's falling apart.
I mean, it really
Quickly.
jumps off the screen.
We can use the ledge.
A lot of effects.
You guys plan to launch a satellite from here? It seems a little half-baked.
Well, half-baked plans are kind of Baird's specialty.
How Baird even figured out they had a hammer satellite here?
My father, before he died, he let Baird in on a few cog secrets. And this island, it has plenty of them.
Hey, over there. Useful.
Wow. The armor, awesome detail.
Hey, fetch.
Oh, that's cool.
there'd still be bodies.
Only a handful of us made it off of Zero alive.
Gotta cut through. Okay, let's go. Get back. We're coming down.
I won't show you guys too much. I don't want to spoil anything. Just trying to show you what the game looks like.
Dave, send it close and let's see what we're dealing with. Ah, there they are.
How do you want to do this? I'll take care of it.
Okay, let's put him down.
The stealth option.
Light round on the left! Blast him!
Toss a flag if you got him. More drones!
Throwing frag!
Let's take a knee.
Only one left!
All right, that's all of them.
Baird? Superb. Your Imperial site is active.
Shit. Okay, Condor's in the air. Let me know if you need reinforcements.
We get it handled for now. Delta out. Come on, we're gonna find one of those silos. Assuming the swarm hasn't ripped them all apart.
Hey, I think we can get down this way. Sorry.
Oh, I'll lift it. There you go.
Hey, he's kidding.
I'm okay, alright? This is fine as I am.
For the record, you don't seem okay.
Alright guys, I'll stop it here. I just want to show you what the game looks like. Really impressive on the Xbox One X. I'm not sure with PC if we have a lot of ray tracing and things of that nature that can be looked at. I have a 1080 Ti, so I won't be able to see any ray tracing. But I would tell you that this game looks good enough right now to be very happy with it, even with somebody that has a PC. It's very impressive. It does have that Horizon Zero Dawn look to it. Definitely better looking than Gears 4. But beautiful game. Feels good too. If you've played Gears before, there is some improvements. But this is only the very first level, and I want to show you guys just a little bit of it. Really gorgeous title. And the HDR is phenomenal. Very bright. A lot of depth as well. Alright guys, thank you as always. Let me know if you think about picking it up. Take care.